Welcome to Garden Railroading in HO scale. Coming to you from Walnut Creek, California. This layout is a work in progress built by Mark Pohl. You are witnessing the Consolidated Knowledge Railway Services EcoClean Work Train. Consolidated Knowledge, whose mission statement includes the restoration of contaminated waterways and soils invariably occurring after railroad disasters. The tractive power used by Consolidated is a leased EMD E8, fully restored and painted in the electromotive demonstrator scheme during the mid-90s, and it's still in use today.